Moving to Nashville, Tennessee, and only want a custom brand new home. Today you are in luck. We are looking at a gorgeous home in Forest Hills, a little south of downtown. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. All right, I am back in Forest Hills today. So, you know, if you've seen some of my other videos, I'm in Green Hills a lot. That's a little closer to town. Forest Hills is a little further south. There's a loud car going by right now, but it's usually a pretty quiet area here. I'm excited to share this house with you. It's awesome. It's in my top 5 that I've seen, honestly. You're on 1.25 acres right here. This area, I like it because you feel like you're in the suburbs, but you're still in Davidson County, still in the city, not very far from the interstate. And really, you don't have to get on the interstate to get downtown from here if you don't want to. Also easy to get to Franklin from here, so a little longer to get to Franklin than to Nashville, but beautiful area. I love it. And a little bit about this house, so check this out. Man, I can't wait to show this to you. So this one was built by Tennessee Valley Home. They're such a good builder. You'll see when you get inside the attention to detail that they have. But this one, I love the layout. It's so open. The kitchen has double islands, and you have Thermador appliances, which I love. In the breakfast nook area, you have a butler's bar, which is great, with a sink. You can serve beverages from there, but I just love how it flows, and then it flows out to that back porch, which is beautiful. The upstairs bonus room is very well done, and just an all-around great home. I love the office. As you'll see, they just did a great job with that, and can't wait to show this one to you. I forgot to tell you, if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. If you like our content, hit that subscribe button, and you know, we're out here every single week looking at new, unique, and custom homes, so hopefully I get to meet you one day. And before we go in right now, I'm gonna put my phone number and email right here. Book a one-on-one call with me and my team. I would love to meet you. I'll also put my Calendly link in the description to schedule a Zoom call with me so I can meet you and hear more about what you're looking for in Nashville, Tennessee. Whatever your budget is, we would love to help, so book a call. But for now, let's go check out this incredible house. Let's go. What did you think about that house? Comment below. This is one of my favorites. I say that a lot probably, but I love everything about this house. This area back here with the covered porch and this beautiful 1.25 acre yard is so peaceful, so private. Just the features of this home are just very well done. I love how your owner suite closet connects to the laundry room for easy access to the washer dryer. A nice touch. That bonus room upstairs, very well done. I love it. Can't wait to hear what you think about it. Again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. Hopefully you're next. Book a call with me. Can't wait to meet you, and I'll see you next time on that Nashville Life. Later.